going on, YouTube fam? Out here on another day doing some more cleanup and restoration work. So this is my heater box, and then the piece that the fan mounts to. So this is the firewall side, and this is inside the car, the heater box, and that's where the heater core goes. So pretty much this used to look like this, and all I did was take a wire wheel and a drill, and I have another one on an air tool as well, and I just cleaned it all up first, wire wheeled it, and then washed it with soap and water really good, and wiped it down with alcohol to get it really clean. Then I applied this Pour 15 top coat on the inside of it here, and that's how it turned out. So looks pretty good, y'all, from the inside. Since this is going to be on the firewall side, on my firewall I did the gray Pour 15 if you saw my previous video, and then I applied that chassis black top coat. So I'm going to do that to this side, so it'll match the same as the firewall. And this here, I'm just going to spray it with the top coat. I'm not going to use the other gray Pour 15 that you have to brush on, or at least I brushed on. So but yeah, I'm just going to take a wire wheel and a brush to that, clean it all up, and then wash it with soap and water really good, and then apply some of this spray to it and be good to go. So what was I going to say? I have all new gaskets and seals as well. This was also a little, I don't know, like a fiber kind of material, where this is a little flapper that opens and shuts the door to let the heat in and out. And so that was, you know, after 40-50 years, it's all crumbled and everything. So I just took that off, and I have a new one that I'm going to apply to that. And then that's pretty much it, y'all. Just paint it and install it and be good to go. So just trying to do it piece by piece here. So I'll do another video when it's cleaned up, and then another video when it's painted. So all right, I'll chime back in. So here's a video of what it looks like after. As you can see, it got off a lot of the surface rust there. There's some on the inside. I couldn't really get to it. I just took a wire brush to it, but I'm just going to spray that Pour 15 inside there. But I mean, for the most part, it looks a lot better than what it was before. So that's pretty much what it looks like now. And then I'm done for the day, so that's why I have it over here closer to the house, so it can stay dry and away from moisture. But I mean, it looks pretty good. The only part I really couldn't get to was I got in here the best that I could, and again, I took a hand brush and I just used my hand and good old elbow grease to try to get in the cracks. But yeah, that's it. But you're not gonna really see that anyway, and I'm gonna again spray some of that Pour 15 on there to try to stop some of that surface rust. And I'm gonna do the best I can to kind of spray inside here, see what I can do. But I'm not gonna be able to get everything. But yeah, y'all, that's it. So next video. All right, y'all, what to do? I'm here with almost the final product, but I just wanted to do a video of what I've done so far. The only thing I haven't painted is the bottom, and I'm gonna paint that after this dries. But this is pretty much the final product. What I did is just use the Pour 15 spray top coat on it, since it had some surface rust on there, and I got as much of it as I could off. Washed it really good, cleaned it really good with some dish soap. Well, first Simple Green, this in dish soap. Then I applied some alcohol in a rag, blew it off, used a tack cloth to get all the lint off, and then this is sprayed it with that Pour 15 top coat, and this is how it looks. So I'm not really concerned about it being perfect, because the only part you're actually going to see is this, and this front portion here. That's the only part that I really wanted to look pretty good. I mean, I wanted to look all good, but you know, you're not really going to see this top portion. You're not really going to see the inside, although I did spray it anyway. But yeah, y'all, I think it turned out pretty good. Turned out pretty dang good. So this is actually the again the heater box that's going to
go inside the car, and then I have the other side of it that holds the fan right here. So I did apply this part with the top coat, not the top coat, but the gray Pour 15, because this is going to go in the firewall right here. So I also did the gray Pour 15 there, and then I just sprayed the top coat on top. So since it's going to be on outside the car in the firewall, I thought I'd do the same here. So I ran out of top coat spray, so I got to go get more. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I think it came out pretty dang good. You know, it's coming along piece by piece. Once I get this installed and do just a few more things on the car, then I'm going to start on the motor. So yeah, that's it, y'all. So just wanted to show y'all what it looked like. Again, if you can see, it's still wet, but man, I think it looks pretty dang good. All right, well, about to go rest up, get ready for my day. Got to go to work later. So I'll holla at y'all. Peace and blessings to you all, and we'll talk later.